Take garlic every day, but don't make mistakes with it. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, welcome, and consider subscribing to my channel and click that little bell notification below. Garlic has been used in cooking for centuries. It has been used for curative and medicinal purposes due to its antibacterial and antiseptic properties. This is all thanks to a compound known as Allicin. Apart from Allicin, garlic contains minerals such as phosphorus, zinc, potassium, and magnesium. Garlic is also high in vitamin C, K, folate, niacin, and thiamine. So how would you eat garlic? Raw or cooked? Garlic is typically cooked or used in powdered form in most recipes. Cooking garlic changes its flavor and texture, making it softer, milder, and creamier, while giving a more subtle flavor and aroma. It can, however, be eaten raw rather than cooked. Although raw garlic has a stronger, more pungent flavor, it can be consumed safely and is an excellent addition to various dishes. Raw garlic is frequently used in dips, dressing, and sauces, such as aioli and pesto. Raw garlic may even contain more beneficial compounds than cooked garlic, helping you improve your health. Health benefits of raw garlic. As I said earlier, garlic is an excellent source of allicin. However, studies show that roasting, boiling, heating, or pickling garlic reduces its allicin content significantly. So while eating cooked garlic can be beneficial, eating raw garlic may help maximize its nutritional value. Let's see some benefits of raw garlic. Increases immunity. Several studies have found that garlic can help reduce inflammation and boost immune function, possibly due to its high concentration of antioxidants and sulfur-containing compounds. Helps to maintain heart health. Garlic may also help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels to support heart health. Blood sugar levels are stabilized. Garlic can help lower fasting blood sugar levels and improve blood sugar control, which may be beneficial in treating type 2 diabetes. Improves brain health. Although human research is limited, animal studies suggest that consuming large amounts of fresh garlic or aged garlic extract may improve memory and brain health. Beneficial for weight loss. Garlic inhibits the expression of genes involved in forming adipose cells, which store fat. It also increases thermogenesis in the body, leading to more fat burning and reducing bad cholesterol. Enhances skin health. Garlic reduces acne and lightens acne scars. Garlic juice can treat cold sores, psoriasis, rashes, and blisters. It also protects against UV rays, preventing aging. Is it really that advantageous, you may ask? No. Hear me out, it can be disadvantageous too. For starters, raw garlic has a much stronger flavor and aroma than cooked garlic, which some people may find unpleasant. Certain compounds in raw garlic can irritate the digestive tract, causing a burning sensation in the chest or stomach. So, those suffering from gastroesophageal reflux disease are frequently advised to limit their garlic consumption to avoid heartburn. Garlic may also increase the risk of bleeding by preventing blood clot formation. While eating raw garlic in moderation is unlikely to cause problems for most healthy adults, those on blood thinners should consult their doctor before consuming large amounts of garlic or taking garlic supplements. Yes, you heard me correctly. There are garlic supplements. Before beginning any supplement, especially a daily supplement, you have to consult your doctor. This is especially true for garlic supplements, as they can occasionally cause headaches, fatigue, appetite loss, muscle aches, dizziness, and allergic reactions such as asthma or skin rashes. So lastly, how much is too much garlic? Garlic has no official recommended dosage. However, most studies have concluded that consuming 1 to 2 cloves per day may be beneficial. Doses of up to 3,600 milligrams of aged garlic extract in supplement form have also been effective. But be alert if your body ever shows an adverse reaction.